Hey, what's up Alta fans? This is Payne with Alta Labs, and today I'm going to be showing you our new Audit Trail feature. So let's go ahead and jump in. We've got over here on the Events tab, we have a new button called Audit Trail. Now what this is going to show every change that has been made to my site, as well as SSIDs, which we'll see in just a minute. This allows you to see exactly what's been changing on your site. Settings for devices, firmware rules, site settings, basically anything that you can change in the controller. You'll be able to see what changed, who changed it, what setting changed, and then what it was before and what it is after. Think of it like a diff that can help you debug any sort of issues that you might be having, or just to see what's going on in your controller. This is especially useful for if you have multiple admins on a site and somebody changes something and you're not aware. You can come in here and see exactly what they changed, and work out what might have caused that. Additionally, it might be just useful for coming in here and seeing what you were doing before. Maybe you forgot something and you made some changes, you didn't like it, and you want to roll back. You can come back in here and go ahead and change this back. We get both site and system settings as well as device settings here in this tab. So you can see here that the device changes are contextual. Got a little link here that if I click on, it'll show me the actual device that was changed. In this case, I was changing some LEDs. So I can come in here. I can see here that I changed my LED from off to orange, which is the case right now. We're in orange LED right here. I can come in here and I can change this to disabled if I wanted. Let's go ahead and turn these off. It's hallway. It's kind of annoying at night. I'd like to have those dark. So we can see here that I made those two changes together, and then I click save, so those are grouped together. So I can see that those two settings happened, were changed by me, Austin, at the same time. This is going to apply to basically anything you see here in settings other than Wi-Fi. We'll come back to that in a minute. So you've got system settings. If I change, let's change our APs to off as well. Here, this is my home, so we don't want to keep those off. Firewall, filter, basically anything you see here is going to change. Let's go ahead and turn off our IPS, just for fun. Here we've got an IoT network. We can come in here. Let's turn that DHCP server on. Put our DNS in here that we want. Go ahead and save that. Come back here. We made a bunch of changes now since last we were in here. We can see that all those are logged here. Really captures everything that's going on in the site. Jump back to SSIDs. SSIDs can span multiple sites, and so they have their own audit logs. So again, just the same button here. We got this audit trail. You only see this if you're an admin. So any sort of non-admins won't see this audit trail. Here, where I was messing around with my home office, I added some passwords. Obviously, any sort of secure settings, those are just going to be hidden. You won't be able to see those. Even on the back end, those aren't logged. But you will get a notification here that they were changed. So you can see if someone's changing passwords and start debugging there if you're having any issues with that. But again, very similar here. Any sort of change we make here in the SSID page is going to propagate to showing up there. So let's go ahead and remove this blue. Save that. We'll come back here and we can see that we've changed the office colors. We delayed the blue. So this is a new feature we're pretty excited about. We hope you guys enjoy it. We hope it helps you debug and administrate your sites even better. Obviously, it's a new feature, so we're still working on it, improving in it. But please send us any feedback in the forums and tell us how you like it. Thanks, everybody. Hope you have a great day.